Hi everyone, welcome back to Three Guys English. My name is John, and this is my little buddy, Boomtown. Hi Boomtown, say Boomtown. All right. Yes, thank you very much. Let me hand to somebody. All right. Yes, welcome back to Three Guys English. My name is John, and today I have a very short lesson for you on the verbs play, go, and do. On Monday, Thomas released a video about watch, see, and look, and that got me thinking about some other difficult words that my students have had a problem with in the past. So today, play, go, and do. These are action verbs, and the goal here is to sound more natural. I will say this, if you make a mistake using play, go, or do, 95% of the time, native speakers or other English speakers will understand what you're trying to say, and you won't offend anybody. But if you want to sound natural and you want to sound fluent, then we want to know how to use play, go, and do correctly. So first of all, and I think in all of my videos, I tell you about this, verbs. When you learn a verb, learn it three ways, okay? You want to know the base form, you want to know the simple past, and you want to know the past participle, okay? The simple past will remind you if that verb is regular, like work, worked, or if it's irregular, like do, did, okay? So you want to know that simple past. Also, the past participle is used to make other more complex verbs and other tenses of verbs. So you want to know that as well. And a lot of past participles can also be used as adjectives, which is super useful. So Simon actually has another video about ed and ing adjectives. You can check that out as well. We'll put some links up there. Okay, so let's get going. All right, so for an example here, we have scare, okay? Scare means to frighten or to make someone afraid. So the base form is scare. Okay, the simple past here is scared, all right? It's an ed ending, so it's a regular verb. And most, I think 99% of all regular verbs have the same past participle as their simple past. Okay, so what that means is scare, scared, scared. Those are the three parts that you want to know. And you want to know that for every verb, okay? So here we are, we have play, go, and do. And these words are very similar, but we use them for different stuff, okay? So the good news is play is a regular verb. So we get play, played, played. Done. Cool. All right. The bad news is that go and do are irregular verbs. I will say this though, go and do are used so much in English that you want to know how these verbs work, okay? We use them a lot. All right, so go becomes went and then gone. So go, went, gone, all right? And then I'm sure most of you know do, did, done. Okay, so those are the three parts of every verb that you want to know for the verbs play, go, and do. So let's get started. The verb play. We use this for most sports, and I do say most, I'll give you a few examples later. Most sports that use a ball or some kind of thing like a ball. So for example, soccer, we play soccer, or football as most people call it, okay? We also play basketball, play baseball, we play hockey. Hockey doesn't use a ball, that thing is actually called a puck. Careful on the pronunciation there, puck, okay? We also play golf, lacrosse, and frisbee, okay? Frisbee is like the round disc that you throw to each other. We use play for games and also for gaming, which has become much more important in the past many years. So you can play chess, you can play checkers, you can play PlayStation, like me, you can play Xbox, like other people, and you can play PC games. Also, we use play for instruments. Okay, so we play the piano, or we play the guitar, or we play the ukulele, the drums, any musical instrument you play. Now, when you use an instrument, you can say play the piano or play piano. It's fine. You can choose whichever one you're most comfortable with. So that's how we use play. Play is the most complicated one. Now, go and do, there's a few things we have to watch. So for the verb go, all right, we have actions ending with ing. So for example, you go swimming, you go sailing, go hiking, go surfing, go traveling, go sightseeing, go scuba diving, go running, go climbing, go clubbing. Clubbing is when you go to a few different nightclubs in one night, which hasn't happened for a long time. Okay, so yes, you can go clubbing. You can leave in the comments below, what are some other activities that you go do? Okay, so do you go, I don't know, leave a comment below. So actions with ing endings. Now, there are a few things we have to be careful with. All right, you can, so the sport of, or the activity of bowling, all right, where you have a ball and you roll it down at a bunch of pins, okay, we go bowling, or we just use the word bowl as a verb. Okay, you can't play bowl. You can't. It's not like hockey or soccer, okay? And also, there are two options. You can go golfing, or you can play golf, okay? But please do not say, let's play golfing, okay? I'm gonna get that a big X and out of here. Okay, so that's how we use go. Now, do, all right? Do is a little more versatile, has more uses, okay? So here we have solo sports and arts, okay? Solo means alone. So for example, ballet, you do ballet, or you do theater if you are an actor or a thespian, right? You do gymnastics, you do yoga, you do jazzercise. I don't know what jazzercise is, but I know that people do it, okay? So whatever jazzercise is. The other one, okay, we do martial arts, fighting sports, okay? So you do taekwondo, you do karate, you do kung fu, you do judo and kendo, okay? Those are all things that you do. And finally, hobbies and stuff, okay? So hobbies, other things. Usually, if you're not sure if it's play or go, it's probably do, okay? So you can do scrapbooking, you can do origami, you can do sewing, calligraphy, and you can also, yes, do homework, okay? So that's how we use do. I do have a special note for the verb do. Many people use practice for do. So don't be surprised if you hear someone say, I practice ballet, or I practice kung fu. Okay, you won't hear it so much. I practice scrapbooking is not really a thing. Most people just do scrapbooking. Or they say, I scrapbook. So just a small note there, okay? So there it is. Okay, so here it is, practice time. Play, go, or do. Okay, remember to use the right form and tense of the verb for these examples. Okay, so it's not just, play, go, do. It could be played, or it could be went. Okay, it could be done. All right, so your job is to find the correct form of play, go, or do for each example. Let's go. So last year I blank scuba diving in Belize. It was unreal. Unreal means fantastic, okay? So last year I blanked scuba diving in Belize. What do you think? Play, go, do? Remember, it's last year, so change the tense. Did you say went? Last year I went scuba diving in Belize. I hope you got that one. Okay. The old man blank Tai Chi in the park every morning. Okay. Old man, okay, one person, not you, not me, one person. and it's every morning. So is it play, go, or do? Does. Okay, so the old man does Tai Chi in the park every morning. Or, like I said, the old man practices Tai Chi in the park every morning. I blank baseball every summer when I was a kid. Okay, when I was a kid means it's in the past. Okay, baseball, it's a ball sport. All right, ball sport in the past. Did you say played? I hope you said played. Okay, I played baseball every summer when I was a kid. Just a few more. Here we go. Can you teach me how blank ballet? I want you to be careful here, okay, because we're going to use actually a different form of the verb here. Can you teach me how blank ballet? Did you say to do? Okay. You need to have to. We need to have the infinitive, which is to and a verb, okay? So use the infinitive here. Can you teach me how to do ballet? All right. I can't wait blank traveling again. It's been so long, okay? So I can't wait blank traveling again. It's been so long. Remember traveling. It's an action with ing. So is that play, go, do, and what form of it? I hope you said to go. I can't wait to go traveling again. It's been so very long. All right, there it is. Nice work. All right, here is your confetti, like I always do. Ta-da! Okay. Yes. So thank you very much. I hope this helped you today. If it did, and if you enjoyed it, or if you just think Boomtown is super cute, please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I'm going to give some stuff there. Okay, all right. Thank you very much. We will be back every Monday and every Friday with new videos for you, so I'll see you in a few days. All right, thank you very much. Bye.